Hello, boys, girls, and families. I'm going to read you the story Families Work. This is a shared read from Time for Kids. Our essential question is what happens when families work together. Read about how one family works to meet their needs. Ellen Young had a busy day at work. She put a cast on a broken arm, used a bandage to cover a deep cut, and helped 20 patients. Ellen is a doctor for children. Customers can get sick at any time, so pediatricians work long hours. They have hard jobs. Ellen's husband works long hours too. Steve is a firefighter. At the firehouse, he makes sure the tools work properly. He checks the hoses and fire trucks. At the fire, Steve rescues people from hot flames and smoke. The firefighters all work together to put out the fire. If we look at the picture, the caption reads, "When a fire alarm sounds, Steve suits up quickly." At home, the Young family works together too. Hannah sets the table for dinner. She also helps wash the dishes. Everyone has weekly chores. Mom and Hannah do the dusting and mopping. Dad and her brother Zach do the laundry. They wash, dry, and fold the clothes. Mom makes a shopping list each week. She lists items they need and things they want. A short time ago, Zach wanted a new laptop. The family needed a new washing machine. They could only spend money on one item. Both cost the same. They had to choose. Clean clothes are needed for school and work. A new laptop is nice, but does Zach need it? Ellen and Steve thought about their family's needs. They decided to buy the washing machine. Zach knows that his parents have busy jobs. They bring home money to pay for their needs and wants. They need that washing machine. Zach still wants a laptop. The family has decided to save some money each week so they can buy it in the future. If we look at the chart over here, we can see a list of needs. So some needs are water, food, shelter, and clothing. And we also have a list of wants. Some wants are a skateboard, video game, and basketball.